Good morning, McKinneyOlson Insurance.
In January of 2009, the principals of the combined McKinney Associates of Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Brandon Valley Insurance of Brandon, South Dakota, merged with the commercial and personal insurance components of the Olson Group of Sioux Falls to form McKinneyOlson Insurance.
What we found when we were talking about the possibility of merging is we both do business the same way, have the same approach to how we treat our customers, all that.
Over the years, the Olson Group side of the merger had transformed their operation from a paper document-centric operation to a nearly paperless document management system.
When we first started this imaging, and it was probably in the mid-90s, I think, when we first started imaging, and we were one of the first agencies to do so, and I think a lot of people thought we were crazy because of the sheer volume, and there again, how are you going to reproduce it?
The Olson Group recently upgraded their entire operation to a File Director document management system. File Director solutions can manage millions of documents being accessed by thousands of concurrent users. One of the major benefits that File Director offers is the opportunity of growth. However, McKinney-Olson's document management challenge was not so much growth. At the time of the merger, McKinney-Allen was an all-paper document operation.
McKinney-Allen Associates is a 100-year-old agency in Sioux Falls, and there was not much turnover at all. It still isn't today, which is thank goodness. But so you have a lot of people that have done the same thing, the same way, for many, many years. And so we knew that would be a challenge.
Still had lots and lots of file cabinets that came over with them. And to be honest with you, when they all moved in, our people kind of went, whoa, what are all these things coming? Because we've worked so hard to get rid of all that, and then we started all over again with cabinets everywhere.
We have files and files and files. Matter of fact, to date, we have probably 15 pallets of old documents that is stored off-site here in Sioux Falls.
For people who have been still using paper, there's always that nervousness. I need to feel it, touch it, to believe that it's there. But I think, just after a few days of letting them get in the system and mess around and see how easy it really is to retrieve the documents, and that you can print them out and they look just like they did when they went in. Once we got over that hurdle of assuring them that yes, indeed, you can produce the same document you could have if it came out of a file, it put everybody's mind at ease and got everybody a little more excited about doing it.
File Director, with its ease of use, scalability, and advanced components, has helped McKinney-Olson through the merger transition. File Director has the most flexible and comprehensive document capture features available. Paper and electronic documents, whatever their format or source, are easily captured and organized.
Initially it used to be stacks of stuff when you got a policy, and now from the carriers, a lot of that stuff is available online, or some of them are sending our policies actually via email. And then which is nice about that is we can still take that email and put that into our File Director as well.
The former McKinney-Allen documents are now being scanned and indexed into the File Director system.
As we speak, our front-end associate is in the process of physically imaging the entire old McKinney-Allen files. Okay, she's going from A to B and going to the end of the alphabet, and those cabinets will slowly disappear.
Capturing information is easy in File Director. With support for thousands of scanning and digital input devices, and with predefined scan profiles, scanning has never been simpler. File Director's MS Office integration takes just a click of the mouse to capture documents, spreadsheets, and email.
If you walk around our office now, you'll still see a few file cabinets, but there's half as many as there were even 6 months ago. And by the end of the year, we'll have none.
File Director's document viewing engine allows you to view multiple documents at one time. While it's been easy for McKinney-Olson to see the time-saving and space-saving benefits, providing an efficient process for serving customers has been where File Director has really shined.
when a customer calls right now and I have dual monitors, if File Director can be up on the right monitor, and their customer data can be on the main monitor, and why I still have them on the phone, or an associate has them on the phone, they should be able to answer any question without saying, I'll get back to you, let me put you on hold while I go grab your file. That is the efficiencies that, can you calculate it? No, except from the standpoint of true customer service.
Retrieving documents is a simple task. Type in what you are looking for into the index fields, and you'll get a list of documents back, which you can then view.
And I think anytime you're more organized and efficient, it's more time to spend on your customers and with your customers.
Storage is not a problem with File Director. It can easily handle millions of records and documents.
We can't possibly ever fill up the memory in the system that we have. And so that's kind of nice too, because then if you ever have a question, well, do I need to keep this or not? Well, you might as well keep it because it's not taking up space.
Active Data Systems is the United States distributor of the File Director document management solutions. Over the years, they have researched, tested, and sold many document management products. They have found File Director to be second to none.
And one thing Active Data has been very good about is, you tell us what you want. We'll tell you how to do it with the machine that you have sitting in your back room. Not, this is all it does, this is your only option. You know, they never once said, here's how you need to manage your data. Tell us what you want out of that system.